Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how much better the magic mask is in the color page. It's the same in the Fusion, that has not changed, but the color page, it has, and it's extremely better than what it used to be. I'll try to show you a couple examples here. We'll change the color of her shirt. We don't have the person option anymore, we just have the one. We do have a paint mode here too, so if you need to clean up some edges, you can do that with the painting here. And it just has a dot now. No stroke. I'm in the middle of the timeline, so I'll track both ways. I got the media from Pixabay. Okay, it's on tracking. We now have what they call a color warper. It's pretty effective. And I just want to select an area that you want to change, and it'll appear on the warper. And just grab that dot and drag it to whatever color you want. We'll make it green. Okay, for example 2, we'll try to change your hair. And by all means, it is not perfect, but much better. You can see the overlay already. And we'll track her hair. Let's make her a blonde. And again, it's not perfect, but it does a good job. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.